to control the anxiety sometimes, you know?
It's fabulous. Really, I love a man with a sense of humor.
You can think like a mouse. You can anticipate their moves.
Giving it to you.
Don't tempt me further.
Crying and nagging leads to irrational fears.
I can make you a healthy woman. A lady of the court.
Confess.
What are you doing?
I'm swamped. I even got to do my laundry on my lunch hour.
Well, I know how stressful mounting a rebellion can be. A bike, you know? Use less gas. No traffic jams. You park wherever the hell you want.
Bizarre situation this afternoon in the Southland. The LAPD rescued a local man from the Hollywood sign.